Hi everyone, welcome to Precision Test Automation. Myself Prabhat. So in the previous section, we have seen how to automate or like how to set up for web automation, right? How to set up the scriptless automation for web automation. And we have seen how to load a page. Now, in this section, we are going to see how we interact with the elements. Okay. Before going to deep dive into the automation, I want to go through the documentation once. Okay. In this documentation, let me show the documentation like page object locators. So we are well known about the page object models, right? We have heard a lot of frameworks called page object modeling. So we are implementing the same for the locators. So depends upon the page, we are storing the locators. In this example, we will take elements and we will store all these elements related to means locators in the elements property file, because the element will be the page for this, and all these elements means all these locators come under the elements, means all these web elements are come under the part of the elements, right? So we will be creating, let's rename this one to element locators. Element locators. Okay, and let's see how we'll be writing this. So let's delete this one and we'll be text path. Okay, we'll be storing this one as a test box. Now I'll go to here and I will see the XPath for this, as there is no unique locators. Okay. Now here, okay, how to write this one? So before going like writing the locators, let's go and see what is the syntax for this. Like we need to store with the element name, selector type, and selector. You can see this example, and these are the locators we support in this automation. Path, our locator for test box. Now, when I click on test box, you can see here this is another element which shows with the name of test box. Now we need to validate this one, because when I click this one, I should not get any other thing, right? We should get this one. So we'll be validating this as well. Click here, copy, and we'll go box. Again, this is an X part. So this is our locator. Oh, wait a second. I think I have copied the wrong locator. See, the X part. Yeah, this is the right X. Now go here. Now we need to map our element to the template, right? Let's copy this one, and here we need to write out the page name. So as I explained, element locators are the page name, and we do not have to wait or scroll. We just directly give the element name. Text box without the element. Okay, action is click and remove this one as a null. Okay, you can see all the actions in our documentation. Come to here, see, come to web automation key phrases. In this, you can see the actions. Here we have the click. Again, we have the syntax here. Okay. But what we have talked, when I clicked here, you should get the test box here. So we need to validate this one also. So yeah, copy this step and paste here. This is sorry. This is our test box title, right? And this is none. And here we need to validate this test box and our validation type. Come to the validation type. Equal. So we are validating equal ignores or not, means test should be any syntax, means any caps or smaller caps. So let's run this one. You see Chrome is accessed. New came in the elements. It will be very fast. So please observe carefully. I just stop the loading of the page so that our automation go further. Now we can see that our automation got passed, right? And open browser. So this is how our automation reports look like. So we are calculating everything. Element name, test box, no validation points, test box status has no action performed. Here we have performed our action, right? We have validated this one. So you can see this got highlighted. If I give anything wrong, like I am giving only text, okay, there is no box, then how it will be? Again, we'll run. You can check here. Let's stop this one. Okay, our automation got failed. Again, we just need to load this one. You see, text box does not match with the expected text. Actually, it's text box, but expected is text. You open it, you can see this, right? We are highlighting that part. So this is about how we interact with the element. In future sections, we'll be seeing a lot more about the actions, like all type of actions we'll be performing. And we'll be creating a tutorials like how send keys works, how actions works, and we will be adding a lot of other actions as well, and we will be keep on adding tutorials for those as well. So please follow us for more details about the actions and the validation types. Thank you.